Hi.
So now what are we making now, Ma?
Matri.
Matri. Tried and true snack.
Mathur style matri.
Okay, so we have 3 cups of all-purpose flour and 1
cup
of what?
Semolina or suji.
1 cup of fine semolina or suji. Okay.
If you don't have that, then cream of wheat.
Okay.
And 2/3 cup of vegetable oil. You can do half a cup also if you don't want 2/3, but that will be little harder, but not really hard.
Mm-hmm.
And there is 1 teaspoon of ajwain and 2.5 teaspoon of salt.
So ajwain in English is called carom seeds, we think.
And if you don't have ajwain, some people put crushed
Methi.
leaves, soft.
Oh, so if you don't have ajwain, some people put crushed fennel in the matri. Oh yeah, that's true. I've had that. Yeah.
And that tastes as good. So as always, mix the salt and oil in the flour. And again, I have taken a little warmer water, and I've taken, this is 2/3 cup, no?
No, it's 1 cup.
1 cup?
That's what you've taken.
Okay. I'm taking 1 cup.
Mm-hmm.
It usually takes half cup, but half little bit more. So we'll see.
Okay. So the oil mixed in first, all nice and thorough.
Yeah.
Clumps are broken up.
And then I'll add water. As always, water should be added incrementally,
Not all at once.
all at once. Require a little bit more.
So this dough is pretty hard.
Yeah. Hard, but not too hard. That's it. Check what is left.
Is that all the water that you need?
I think so. Just hold on a minute.
Yeah, when you're done.
Yeah, that's all.
Your biceps must be really strong. I'm doing all of this kneading for all these attas for so long. Bas, ho gaya?
अभी नहीं करूँ.
But I mean, you're done. Yeah. So we're done with the water, and she used 3/4 of a cup of water in mixing that. And now additional kneading is taking place.
And I find it hard. You can do it on that, but ऊंचा हो जाता है ना मेरा.
Mm-hmm.
So I do it on the cutting board. You can cut the recipe in half also if you don't want to make this many.
How many will this make, do you think?
30, 45,
Okay.
32. You can touch how hard it is.
Is it? Oh, yeah.
Harder than puri.
Yeah.
I divide it into 4 portions and then make the loaf. I won't do the whole thing.
Mm. Just show how to do it with one and roll it out.
This size, and you can make a small size if you want. I will roll one and show you what.
Yeah, it's kind of just, you know, like a cookie dough type size. Like a teaspoon or a tablespoonful of dough.
Okay, then you make them. And they don't have to have exactly.
Yeah, they don't have to be exactly the same.
Exactly same. So before frying, you should roll all of them and get ready, because once you start frying, then it's hard to do both things if you are alone, even if you have somebody, because it takes a while to. So I'll roll one, show you.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see the strength.
So there you go. Maybe a centimeter, 1/4 of an inch thick, and 2 inches wide. And then you have to poke them with.
Take a fork and poke the holes, because you don't want them to puff up. Some may puff up, but not all. This kind of matri is not to be puffed up. There is the choti puri matri, which only use semolina and little wheat flour, and then they can puff up. But they don't stay. Okay, then we'll show you when we fry.
All right, start recording again when we're frying.